What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it's having an absolutely wonderful time today, pretty much approaching that all-time high level. As you can see, we're up at around $2.60 right now, a place that we haven't seen since pretty much, what was this, May? The 19th of May when we had that huge crash for Bitcoin. We've not been at these levels for a long time here, and you can see, obviously, it's, Polygon just performing incredibly well in this market right now. A lot of uncertainty, and, generally altcoins not performing well at all for the most part. There are obviously a few that are exceptions, Luna, for example, which we covered today as well, performing exceptionally well in the face of the, Bitcoin crabbing sideways, the market sentiment being really low. But you can see Polygon here doing extremely well. That massive coiling motion that we talked about, the breakout and the back test, looking like it is working out and coming to fruition pretty much perfectly. You can see here Polygon was just making its way up here in pretty much a constant uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Just making a really nice uptrend here, as you can see. Looking like it is forming, a very nice upwards trajectory right now, and heading to that all-time high pretty soon. From what we can tell, we are front running it here by 6 cents right now, but we are getting up towards these all-time highs. And you can see here, this chart is just incredibly bullish, isn't it? You can see just how much the support and resistance is being followed absolutely to the T. All these Fibonacci levels and previous swing highs and swing lows acting as support and resistance like an absolute beast, as Polygon just does continue to make its way to the upside here. And you can see quite clearly that we are, we're coming up. We've made a slightly higher swing high here around that 260 level. A little bit of resistance here, as obviously this is a previous swing high level, which we'll now draw in like this. Then we just save that. And you can see here these levels being perfectly respected. Resistance, support lost here, resistance. So we roll over to support, come back up, resistance, support, resistance. We roll over, but obviously the momentum too great. We come up, we break through, we back test this previous level of resistance here at around that 228 level as support. And then guess what we do? We run all the way up to that previous swing high level here. We make a slightly higher high, and looking as though right now we might be actually breaking out to the upside, potentially here for Polygon at around that 260 level. As we said before, we are targeting, as always, that 266 all-time high. Looking like we might be getting a bit front run with sell orders here. But in reality, we would say, this is going to be quite a strong resistance in our opinion, just because a lot of people are going to be taking profits and basically getting out of break even for all the people that bought the top back here. Let me take a look at the daily time frame. You can see all the people that bought the top back here, they may be taking profits. But in our opinion, a lot of people that are smarter investors, and there are quite a lot of smart investors in crypto now, although you probably wouldn't believe it, will probably realize that because Polygon is back at all-time highs, it's probably going to go considerably further. And in our opinion, it probably will do. Looking like we're, performing exceptionally well here. Once we do hit this this all-time high, if we do start to break through, as we've always said, we do have that next target at around that 127 extension at $4 of this massive Fibonacci pull that we have pulled for basically the entire bull run here. You can see we had that massive run up at the start of last year, at the start of this year, sorry. And basically, I know it feels like so long, doesn't it? It feels like such a long time since we were back at these kinds of prices. But you can see here, we pulled this massive Fibonacci from high to low here, and you can see we have got some nice targets now coming in. If we do start to break the all-time high for Polygon, hopefully we can see a bit of a break and a back test, maybe even a rollover to test some support, but then coming back through again. And as we said, we will be targeting some of these higher price targets if we do break those key levels. So Polygon just looking incredible right now, isn't it? It's just absolutely flying in the face of a bearish sentiment in the market. Bitcoin looking like it's crabbing sideways. Ethereum not looking that strong, to be honest. But like we said, a few select altcoins, Polygon and Luna, the two most prominent examples that come to mind right now, just absolutely flying in the face of the bearish sentiment in the market. So overall, things looking pretty good in our opinion. If we roll over here, we're obviously coming back down towards this 222 level. As we said, we'd want to see this being tested as support. We might even get a more aggressive support at around 234 here, just to that 234 to that 238-ish area in this previous, little bit of structure in this area here. And then obviously, as we said, if we break the all-time high, which is our next price target, which we've almost hit now, we could be coming well up into this, maybe up towards this $3 level. That would be a very good psychological target as well. Maybe, roll over, do something like this, and then get a bit more continuation to the upside, because, Polygon's looking very, very strong, isn't it? And finally, as we've always said, we do think that $5 to $10 price target for Polygon isn't looking so unlikely now, is it? A lot of people were fairly skeptical of our price targets down here when we were at 63 cents, and they're saying there's no way this is going $5 to $10. But it looks like things have worked out pretty well. We've got that really nice coiling motion and the breakout, the back test. As you can see, we have basically coiled all the way up here. I mean, this could potentially be a cup and handle formation, couldn't it, to be honest? This massive cup and handle, and then if we get the breakout, we've got some nice fib levels. The 127 at $4, that 141 at around $5, 161 at $6.60. We've got that big $10 target that we have had here on this chart for so long now, which we could easily hit in our opinion. And obviously, as we've always said, if Polygon does continue to flesh out its ecosystem and get more DeFi on its protocol, because it's a bit of a ghost chain right now, obviously this is going to drive more demand for Polygon. And in our opinion, that could potentially make the price go even higher. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.